Hello everyone, welcome to your mathematics class. Today we'll be doing our exercise 4.2. Question number 1 in exercise 4.2 is, give first the step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. All the questions in this exercise are of same pattern. Let's take part 1. X minus 1 equal to 0. You will solve this equation and find solution by using equation balancing method. So for finding out value of x or separating this variable from this minus 1, we need to apply step 1, in which we will add 1 to LHS and RHS of given equation. By doing so, our equation will look like this. This 1 is get added to x minus 1, that is LHS, and to 0, which is RHS. We can solve it. On calculating this minus 1 plus 1, we get 0. So in LHS, x is the only term remain, and in RHS we get 0 plus 1 as 1. That means we get the solution of equation, which is x equal to 1. Let us understand it with one more question. I will be taking the G part of question number 1, which is y plus 4 equal to 4. Again, we need to find solution, or you can say value of y. In order to find value of y, we need to separate or our variable y from this plus 4. So for removing this plus 4 from this equation, what we need to do, this 4 is in addition to y. So we will subtract 4 from LHS and RHS. So equation will be written as y plus 4 minus 4 equal to 4 minus 4. So this 4 minus 4 becomes 0, and this 4 minus 4 is again 0. So that means 0 is the value of y, and you can also say y equal to 0 is solution of equation y plus 4 equal to 4. All questions have to be done with the same method. So moving on to question number 2. Let's understand part F. Z upon 3 equal to 5 upon 4. Here we can see Z is along with this 3, which is in division to Z. So to remove this 3 from Z, we need to multiply 3 to LHS and RHS So equation will become z upon 3 multiplied with 3, 5 upon 4 multiplied with 3. Now we will divide this 3 by 3, which gives quotient 1. Here we cannot divide this 3 or 5 with 4, so we'll keep it like this. So this becomes, LHS becomes z and RHS becomes 5 multiplied 3 divided by 4, which is 15 upon 4. So value of z is 15 upon 4, or z equal to 15 upon 4 is solution of equation z upon 3 equal to 5 upon 4. Now take question number 3. Give the steps you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. All three questions are same, and the method you are using for solving these equations is also same for all equations given in the exercise. So question number 3 part C is 20 upon 3 multiplied with P equal to 40. Now for separating this variable, in step 1, we will multiply 3 to LHS and RHS. All the operations will be done on both the sides so that our equation remains a balanced equation. So equation is 20p upon 3 multiplied with 3 equal to 40 multiply 3. Now this 3 can be divided by this 3 and gives quotient as 1. So our equation on solving it becomes 20p equal to 40 multiply 3, which is 120. Now again our variable p is not separated, so we'll apply another step. Step 2. For that we need to divide LHS and RHS by 20. So equation can be written as 20p divided by 20 equal to 120 divided by 20. Now this 20 can be divided by this 20 and you will get quotient as 1. On dividing 120 by 20, you will get quotient as 6. So value for p comes 6, and this is your solution for the given equation. So this equation contains 2 steps in order to find out the value of our variable. Question number 4. Solve the following equations. There are certain equations given and we need to solve them with equation balancing method. Part E, 2q plus 6 equal to 12. In step 1, in order to separate q, we will subtract 6 from LHS and RHS. So equation will be written as 2q plus 6 minus 6 equal to 12 minus 6. Now this 6 minus 6 becomes 0 and 12 minus 6 becomes 6. Here again variable is not separated, so we need to go for step 2. 2 is in multiplication with variable q. That means we need to divide LHS and RHS by 2. On dividing LHS and RHS by 2, we get equation like this. So this 2 get divided by 2, giving quotient as 1. On dividing 6 by 2, we get quotient as 3, which says Q is equal to 3. So Q equal to 3 is the solution of our equation 2Q plus 6 equal to 12. All other equations has to be solved with the same procedure that you need to do in your prayer notebook. This is all for this video. Thank you.